Aaron, AI is useful, but be careful online. What should I do? Never share private information. Okay, I'll remember that. Aaron, look at this room! Wow, what is this? It's an AI lab. AI? What does that mean? So what is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. Is it a real person? No, it's smart computer technology. Can AI talk to us? Yes, it can understand questions. Really? Let me try. Hello, AI. Can AI see my apple? Let's find out. It knows what it is. Yes, it recognized the apple. What about my toy car? Ask the AI. It knows this one too. AI can recognize many objects. What are you drawing? A little house. Wow. It made it beautiful. AI helped create the picture. Can AI help me learn English? Yes, it can help you practice. Can we try? Sure. Let's play a word game. Wow! Aaron, what is this? A bicycle. That's right. Did I get a point? Look at that! It's a smart robot. Does it use AI? Yes, it uses smart technology. Why is it following me? It can use sensors. So it knows where I am? Yes, it can detect movement. Where do people use AI? In phones, cars, maps, and more. Wait, I use AI every day? You probably do. Can AI help us find places? Yes, it directions. Like finding a store? Exactly! Wow! Aaron, AI is useful, but be careful online. What should I do? Never share private information. Okay, I'll remember that. Can AI do everything? No. People still make important choices. So humans are important? Of course. AI is a tool to help us. Aaron, what did we learn today? AI means artificial intelligence. And what can AI do? It can help us learn and create. Great job! Great job! See you next time!